The sons of Prospero rise proud, no glory left to claim. Arcane minds and psychic might, we search for sacred war. Yet warnings fell on deafened ears, we hungered ever more. Bound to fate we could not see, the war through whispered prophecy. We are the fire, cursed and divine, born for the truth that we dare to define. Magnus the Red, betrayed by the throne, burning the bridges, exiled alone. The flame still burns in dust and bone. We are the thousand sons. The council called us heresy for what they could not grasp. The emperor, our father, turned his back with iron clasp. Tried to warn, we broke the seals to save the golden line. But in our pride we tore the veil and watched the heavens cry. We sought to guide, not to divide, but fate is mine to reason why. We are the fire, cursed and divine, scorned for the truth that we dare to define. Magnus the Red, betrayed by the throne, burning the bridges, exiled alone. The flame still burns in dust and bone. We are the thousand sons. Flesh is weak, but the mind is eternal. Skins lapse in the weave of fate. We rise as dust, we bend guillotine. Sorcerers bound by shattered trust. What is a soul if not star-born dust? The fire, cursed and divine, scorned for the truth that we dare to define. Magnus the Red, betrayed by the throne, burning the bridges, exiled